Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. Today's video is all about solving a past paper question on trigonometry, SOH CAH TOA and quadratic equations. I'll also be covering concepts such as algebraic expansion and solving a quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. So let's get started. We're going to be solving question 6 from paper 4, variant 2, October-November 2023. Here's question 6. It says the diagram shows a right-angled triangle. Find the value of W. As you can see, this is the angle, W degrees, on the right-angled triangle. This is the side opposite to W degrees, which is T centimeters. This is the side adjacent to W degrees, which is 5 centimeters. And lastly, this is the hypotenuse, which is 2T plus 3 centimeters. Now, we know we can use the TOA trigonometry ratio to find the value of W using the opposite and adjacent sides of W degrees. This would give us tan of W equals to T over 5. As you can see, we need to find the value of T in order to find the value of W. So, let's start solving by finding the value of T first. As we are dealing with a right-angled triangle, we can find T by using the Pythagoras theorem, a squared plus b squared equals to c squared. Substituting the values respectively, we get 5 squared plus t squared equals to 2t plus 3 squared. Simplifying the left side of the equation, we get 25 plus t squared. To simplify the right side, we can use algebraic expansion. 2t plus 3 squared is the same as 2t plus 3 multiplied by 2t plus 3. Now, we multiply everything in the first bracket by everything in the second bracket. This gives us 2t into 2t plus 3 into 2t plus 3. Simplifying, we get 4t squared plus 6t plus 9. Simplifying further, we get 4t squared plus 12t plus 9. So, the right side of this equation is 4t squared plus 12t plus 9. Now, as you can see, this is pretty much starting to look like a quadratic equation. So, we subtract both sides by 25 and t squared. Then we simplify and get 0 equals to 3t squared plus 12t minus 16. So we get a quadratic equation, 3t squared plus 12t minus 16 equals to 0. Solving this quadratic equation will give us the value of t. We can solve this quadratic equation by applying the quadratic formula. So substituting the values into the formula respectively, we get t equals to minus 12. Plus or minus the square root of 12 squared minus 4 into 3 into minus 16, over 2 into 3. Simplifying, we get minus 12 plus or minus 4 into the square root of 21 over 6. This means that t equals to minus 12 plus 4 into the square root of 21 over 6, or t equals to minus 12 minus 4 into the square root of 21 over 6. Entering these into the calculator turn by turn, we get the respective values of these as t equals to 1.0550 and so on, or t equals to minus 5.0550 and so on. Note that t is the length of a side of the triangle, so it cannot possibly be negative. Therefore, the value of t is only 1.0550 and so on centimeters. We do not need to round this value to 3 significant figures. We will use this long value of t as it is in our calculation further to give us a more accurate answer. Now, we substitute the value of t into this equation. This gives us the tan of W equals to 1.0550 and so on over 5. Then we take tan inverse of everything on the right side. Entering all that into our calculator gives us a pretty long value, 11.9151 and so on. Rounding to 1 decimal place gives us W equals to 11.9 degrees. Therefore, the answer is W equals to 11.9 degrees. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, please comment below and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Please like and subscribe. To find more solved and explained past paper questions on various topics, please view the playlist. I'll be back with another video soon.